guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Stick around, I have something very exciting to share with you. So this is a Call Me Crafty Al bundle with the option to add a class, and the stencil comes with the stamp set. So we have a nice large 6x8 stamp set. The stencil is a 2-piece 6x6 stencil, and you have the option to add an exclusive class taught by Alicia, aka Call Me Crafty Al. So I'm taking pre-orders for this bundle now through February 28th. The products will ship the end of March. Now, if you want to pre-order this, I have a special coupon code for you to get 15% off your pre-order. I'll have the code on the screen for you right there. I'll also have it listed in the description box for you. Now, to choose the class, there'll be a drop-down menu where you can add the class or pass on the class. So choose one and then you can check out. And once I ship the products, I will be sending you your links. So you'll get a link to the class. And if you do sign up for the class, there is a bonus SVG file that will be sent to you to cut out the images here for the stamp set. So in the class, you'll be learning how to create 3 unique cards, including one that uses the bonus SVG digital cut file that comes with the class. I'm super excited. The samples for the cards for the class look amazing. I will have a little preview up on the screen for you so you can check out the products and the samples. And this is so exciting. So if you're not following Call Me Crafty Al, I will have the link to her YouTube channel in the description box so you can head on over and follow her. She is such an amazing teacher and crafter, and her style appeals to everyone. You don't have to be a master colorist to take this class. Very simple stamping. We're going to bring color to the images with the stencils. We've got beautiful sentiments in the stamp set. Hello friend, you've been on my mind. Happy birthday, so happy for you. Congratulations, thank you. Just a note, thinking of you, hello, so glad to have you in my life. And then the beautiful botanicals, and then there's a few little splatter stamps in here as well. So the link will be down in the description box. You can head on over there and reserve your set, reserve your spot in the class. This will be a pre-recorded class, so you can watch the class over and over, which is really nice. So you can work at your own pace. So who's excited? Let me know down below. I love reading your comments. And thank you guys for your support. I will talk to you real soon in the next video. Take care. Bye guys.